Okay, so if you're a DIY guy like me, you probably want to be fixing things around the house or score some Bravo points. But anyway, so today we're going to talk about our Samsung fridge that's been leaking like crazy, just dripping and leaking. And I've been looking on YouTube trying to find videos to see what the problem. Most of the videos are talking about defrost ice or ice that's inside the fridge that's defrosting, leaking along the fridge and on the outside. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the water dispenser up here. When you hit this thing, it dispenses the water. After you get your water out of it, it just continue dripping all the way down the fridge, all the way down. So I've been trying to figure out which part the water and which part controls the water, and I realized that this guy has nothing to do with up here. This is just an electronic button that controls the valve at the back, and that's where the culprit is. So if I take you around the back of the fridge here, I'll show you where that culprit is. So it's at the back of the fridge. So let me explain to you what's happening. So because this fridge has been dripping water like crazy after you fill your glass. After that, it goes quiet for a minute and then it's just start dripping, and I'll show you why it's dripping. I'm not sure if your fridge is like mine, but this is where the water valve is. So this blue cable hose here, this is coming from the filter, and this goes into this valve. Into this valve, there's two hoses coming out of this valve. One is going to the ice maker and one is going to your water dispenser. Okay, so when you hit that button on the front, it opens the valves on this guy here and the water comes out. Basically, when I opened this and I took the water side out, I realized even when the valve is closed, the water is dripping. And because the water is dripping, fill this hose that goes up to that dispenser, and that's where the dripping is happening. Okay, so this is the culprit here. So I'm not sure if your fridge is like mine, but like this fridge here, this is why it's dripping. This valve is bad. I already ordered this valve on Amazon, and it's coming in a couple of days. So, but for now, I still want to use my my refrigerator, and I still want to use my ice dispenser. So I still got the hose connected to the ice dispenser, but I found a glue stick that's the same size as this hose. So I just stuck this glue stick here inside that hole just to block it off for now, and unplug the electronic side. So I unplugged the electronic side to the water dispenser, so even if someone's hit the button on the front, it won't activate this valve. So that's your fix for your dripping water from your water dispenser. I can't believe it that it's the culprit. I looked on YouTube and I could not find a video. Everyone is talking about water on the outside. In the meantime, while I was here on the back, I also vacuumed this guy, cleaned these out. Also, the water that you're talking about on the outside, sometimes these guys that are blocked up. So I make sure I clean these guys and I put them back. So they have two here, one here. This is like where the excess water comes down, and this guy here. Okay, so while you're back here, just do a little bit of vacuum and cleaning. So I did a little bit. It was way dustier and nastier than this. So, you know, who really cleans behind the fridge? Anyway, cheers, guys. If you want to find out what's the problem with that dripping, it's the valve. I guarantee you it's the valve. Okay, bye.